to all the investors. Today we are here with Hennie Bezuidenhoudt and myself, Machiel Lucas. We are part of the investment committee that's looking at our new Medical 2 deal in Atlanta. And the aim of today's presentation is really just to give you the broad highlights of the thinking behind this opportunity and how did we arrive at it. So from that perspective, I'm going to ask a few questions to Hennie and we're going to go through the opportunity in quite a lot of detail. So to start off with, Hennie, what is so attractive with the healthcare sector in the United States?
The healthcare sector in the United States is very exciting due to the fact that it's the biggest privately funded healthcare market in the world. On top of that, Machiel, Obamacare will bring millions and millions of lives into the net of insured people, which obviously then can afford proper healthcare services. And then on top of that, we've got the baby boomers that are reaching retirement, we've got the aging population, etc., etc. All of that means more spending on healthcare. Obviously, that will benefit our investment in privately owned healthcare facilities.
So which segment of the healthcare specifically are you focusing on?
We've found a very, very interesting niche in the healthcare sector, and that is in the market segment between 5 million and about $20 million. Above 20 million, you compete with the big funds. Below 5 million, you compete with a smaller individual investor. And between those two, we found a niche where we can really buy good, solid performing properties, giving us proper returns, but not in competition with the big funds.
When you put this investments together, what is the key strategic goals that you have for these investments?
Well, our first objective is, and that's what we've tried to do from day one, is capital preservation. As South Africans, we would like to invest in opportunities abroad, and we want to preserve our capital. So that's foremost and the most important part of our investment strategy. Secondly is to find opportunities where there's a proper balance between risk and reward. And in the segment that we're playing in, we found that we get nice market-related, slightly above market-related returns, but very limited risk in terms of the fact that we've got lease agreements for 10 years, in most cases, which is obviously very attractive in the market that we're in at the moment.
Okay, and in terms of the Medical 2 project, what is your intention with this project? I understand it will be an income project?
Yes, the intention here is to find an opportunity for the investors that can yield a cash-on-cash return from day one, which is market-related, or as I mentioned, slightly above the market norm. And then obviously with an exit after 5 years, and we're thinking of an IRR of about 21% plus, which we're still finally in the final negotiations to determine the final number as far as that is concerned.
So understood you found 3 buildings in the Atlanta area. Maybe just give us an overview of what they are and typically where they're located, etc.
Yes, we found 3 opportunities which I'm very excited about. It's opportunities next to medical campuses or on campuses of big hospitals. It belongs currently to medical professionals, and these opportunities are very well located. As I said, very close to hospitals. There's very limited, if any, land available that these buildings can be duplicated. And therefore we're very excited about the opportunities, and most of them have got long-term tenants, so which is obviously a very positive in this case.
And these tenants, who are they typically?
Well, they are government-managed healthcare facilities. It's professionals like doctors, and then obviously we've got other tenants, which is medical associations and medical related tenants. Okay,
no, thank you very much. And when do we aim to do this transaction?
Well, we're busy with the final investigation into this and negotiations. One building is already under contract. The others, we've reached a stage where we have got an agreement in principle, but we need to finalize the detail, and hopefully that will be under contract shortly. So hopefully that will all be done, and then we will go into the due diligence phase and the feasibility, and hopefully everything will be finalized early in the new year. Then we can present it to the investors for their consideration.
Thank you. I just would like to mention to the investors, if you are interested, please email myself, machiel@wealthmigrate.com, and I will lead you through the steps for this investment. The minimum investment is $100,000, and we aim to raise this money by the end of January, and we are going to close this transaction by the end of February. So we hopefully will see you. Please give me an email. I'll gladly supply all the detailed information as we normally do, open and transparent. Thank you.
Thank you.